What's the meaning of circuitry? Circuitry. Circuitry.
Circuitry. Circuitry. Circuitry refers to the arrangement of electronic components and their connections that allow for the flow of electrical current in a system. These components may include resistors, capacitors, transistors, and more. The circuitry in a device determines its functionality and can range from simple to complex designs depending on the intended use. Effective circuitry design is crucial to ensure proper operation and performance of electronic devices, and often involves optimizing power consumption, maximizing signal integrity, and minimizing interference.